This is MediCircle and I'm Naila Sayed here with the latest updates in healthcare. India has been recording new highs in daily COVID 19 cases almost every day. Over the last week, it has added more than 53,000 cases and nearly 800 deaths every day on an average. With close to 1.8 million cases and 39,000 deaths as of the August 4th, India ranks third globally in terms of the cumulative cases and fifth in terms of fatalities. The Health Ministry said India's CFR has reached 2.1%, the lowest since the country has relaxed the national-wide lockdown on the 1st of June. At the beginning of June, India's CFR was 2.83%. 1,145 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in Rajasthan, taking the tally to 45,555. However, the number of active cases is 12,785. Karnataka reported the highest single-day spike in the COVID-19 cases with 6,259 new infections yesterday, taking the total to 1,45,830. The previous highest was on July 30th with 6,128 cases. The state also reported a record of 6,777 COVID patients who have been recovered from various hospitals in the state yesterday. Saudi Arabia aggregated coronavirus cases rose to 281,435 on Tuesday after the enrollment of 1,342 new cases. Amongst the current 34,763 dynamic cases are 1,983 still at the escalated care units, the Saudi Wellbeing Service tweeted. That's all for today, and for more updates, log on to medicircle.in. Good day and stay healthy.